Hi Bells, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the March Madness eye looks that I have been doing. So I filled out my bracket, I did it, I was what I thought was prepared to really do these videos, and everybody that I picked has lost. So the next problem I ran into after deciding to wait and see how the brackets and the tournament comes out is that means that I don't have anything to film over the next week. I won't have any videos to upload for you guys. So what I thought I would do is go ahead and spend tonight doing research and preparing to go ahead and start the next video series. So I think that this series will be super fun. It will be a 5-episode series, and I've chosen 5 toys that were either made the year that I was born or were popular the year that I was born and I still remember playing with, or just iconic toys from around 84 time period. So stay tuned for that. It is coming. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was a quick one and I didn't really do any makeup, but I did want to just kind of update you on what was coming. All right, make sure that you've clicked the subscribe button. Go ahead and select that little bell icon so that you can make sure that you're getting notifications every time that I upload a new video. Remember, you can find me on Instagram at Southern Belle Beauty 06. You can find me in the Facebook group on Southern Belle Beauty. And you can catch me on Twitter. I am under the handle Marble City Mama. If you have any trouble with any of those sites or finding me on any of those sites, just shoot me a quick inbox and I'll be happy to help you find it. As always, love you, mean it.